I hope that you all have written the sentences. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's listen to Kajal. Kajal, can you please share the sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will develop my talent in teaching and use it to teach poor children.
Okay, that's really a thoughtful point. Amazing answer. Yes. So next, can you please share your talent?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will develop my talent in business and I will use it to give charity to organizations.
Okay, you people have come up with the different points which are very interesting. So amazing answer. Next, Ruby, would you like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please share.
Ma'am, I will develop my talent in singing and use it to teach needy students.
Yes, so you will develop the talent in teaching and you will teach needy people. Amazing answer. So I have a few questions from you all because you all have written the talents which you want to develop and which you will help them help community to develop different things. So I have a few questions from you all. Would you like to answer them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I have written 4 questions on the whiteboard. Is it visible, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Aruna, would you like to read first question,
Yes, ma'am.
please?
What will happen if we use our talents in our lives according to what you wrote?
Yes. So whatever you have written in your notebooks, according to them, if you are able to develop those talents, so how is it going to help you in your lives?
Ma'am, I have written I will develop my talent in teaching and use it to teach poor kids. So if
Yes.
I am able to use this talent, so a lot of people will get education and they will get ahead in life.
Yes, they will move ahead in life. Yes, thank you so much for sharing it. Can you please clap for her? Such an amazing answer shared by her. Good job. So you will be able to teach the students. Yes. Next, would you like to share the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as I shared that I will develop my talent in singing and use it to teach needy students. So there are so many students I have seen in my village. They are planning to join any music classes, but they are not able to do it. That's why I thought that if I will develop this talent, so I can teach them.
That's amazing. So you can teach them. That's great. So let's listen to next answer. Would you like to share?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if I can use my talent of doing business and giving charity, then a lot of people will get help from money and they will be able to do nice things.
That's amazing. So if you start taking initiatives, if you develop the skills and if you start teaching, starting a business, it is going to help in somewhere community. Do you agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So let's move ahead towards the next question. Can you please read it?
What would happen to our community if everyone used their talent to help?
Yes. So what would happen to the community if everybody is using his or her talent to help? Will it change or will it be same?
Yes, ma'am. It will change everybody's lives. Like if somebody will help. So this is how everybody can grow in their life.
Yes, that's amazing. So we can grow in our lives, and not only one person, everybody can grow to whom you are teaching or to whom you are making them understand or to whom you are giving the knowledge. So they can develop. Amazing answer. Next, would you like to add some point?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we all help community with our talent, so our talent will also develop and people who need help will also get help.
Yes, amazing answer. So our like if I am good at painting and I am making them understand that how can you all paint, in our community. So they will also learn and I will also polish my skills of painting. Do you agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much for sharing it. Amazing answer. Let's move ahead towards the next point so that we can discuss that how can we develop talents. Yes, please.
Ma'am, next question is what will happen if we develop our talents but do not use them?
Yes, this is very interesting question, that what will happen if we develop our talent and if we do not use it. So can anyone please share it? I want to listen to this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as yesterday you gave example of pencil. So if we have pencil and we do not sharp our pencil, then we cannot write and
Yes.
then we cannot use it. So if we have talent and we do not use it, then our talent will go away and we will not do anything for society.
Yes. So if we have talent and we do not use it, our talent will also go away and we would not be able to help our societies. Nice answer. Now, have you seen any old stuff? For example, I kept one notebook here and it is kept for 1 year, 2 years. What will happen to that notebook?
Ma'am, it will catch dust. Spiders
It will catch dust. Spiders will be there and
it will not be usable.
it will not be usable, and the pages will also be I'm not getting the word.
What do you want to say?
Destroy.
Yes, destroy. The pages will also destroy. So similarly, if we do not use our talents, the dust will be there and we would not be able to use it anymore. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Let's move ahead towards the next question. Can you please read the last question, dear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what will happen if we take the benefit of our talents?
Yes. So what will happen if I am only taking the benefit of my talent? As I already shared that my talent is painting and I am taking the benefit of painting. I am painting it for myself. Or if I have the talent of teaching, I am good at something, I am good at any particular subject and I am only taking the help from it. I am not sharing it with other people, our classmates, our batchmates or our society. I am not sharing this talent with anybody. So what will happen?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we have talent and we use it for our benefit, we can earn money and we can get success, but we are not using it to serve others.
Yes.
So our talent will be useless.
Yes, I completely agree. It would not be useless 100%, but somewhere it will be useless because we are unable to serve our community. And do you live in a community or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you are living in your community, you need to help your community. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
And for that, you need to share your talent with other people who need it. So, like this, we can develop our talent also and we can help our society to serve them.